Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits, thanks to its rich antioxidant content and other bioactive compounds. Here are some of the key health benefits associated with green tea. 1. Antioxidant properties. Green tea is loaded with polyphenols, particularly catechins like epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to lower levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, reducing the risk of heart disease. It also helps improve blood vessel function and lower blood pressure. 3. Weight management. Some studies suggest that the catechins in green tea can aid in weight loss by increasing metabolism and fat burning. However, the effects may vary from person to person. 4. Brain health. Green tea contains caffeine and L-theanine, which can improve brain function, mood, and alertness. EGCG has also been studied for its potential neuroprotective effects, possibly lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 5. Cancer prevention. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that the antioxidants in green tea may help protect against certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer, by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. 6. Diabetes management. Green tea may improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. 7. Liver health. Some research suggests that the catechins in green tea may help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and excessive alcohol consumption, reducing the risk of liver diseases like fatty liver disease. Green tea extracts are commonly used in skincare products due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect the skin from UV damage, reduce signs of aging, and improve overall complexion. 9. Oral health. The catechins in green tea have antibacterial properties that can help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. 10. Anti-inflammatory effects. The polyphenols in green tea, particularly EGCG, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This could be beneficial for conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. 11. Improved dental health. Along with its antibacterial properties, green tea has been shown to inhibit the formation of plaque and reduce the risk of tooth decay. Some mouthwashes and toothpaste contain green tea extract for these reasons. The antioxidants in green tea, particularly catechins and vitamin C, may help protect the eyes from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of certain eye diseases, such as glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration, AMD.